12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Then what number comes after 20? Yes, very good. What is 21? Okay. 2, 1, 21. 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. 3, 0, 30. Then what the number that comes after 30, children? Yes, very good. What it is? 31. Okay. 3, 1, 31. 3, 2, 32. 3, 33. 3, 4, 34. 3, 5, 35. 3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39. 4, 0, 40. Then what the number that comes after 40, children? Yes, very good. What it is? 41. Okay. 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. 4, 3, 43. 4, 4, 44. 4, 5, 45. 4, 6, 46. 4, 7, 47. 4, 8, 48. 4, 9, 49. And then 5, 0, 50. Okay, children. Shall we repeat the numbers again? Okay, see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And the next to 20, what the number will come? Yes, very good. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And then 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And the next to 40? Yes, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, Nine. N-I-N-E. Nine. Okay. N-I-N-E. Nine. And then 10. T-E-N. 10. T-E-N. 10. Okay, children? Just I have recalled you the number names from 1 to 10. This we have learned in the last video. So just I recall you. Okay, children? Shall we move to the new topic, children? What it is the first topic? Big. What it is? Big. B-I-G. Big and small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Now we are going to see what is the difference between big and small. Okay, children? First one. Look at the picture, children. What picture you can identify from this, children? What it is? Yes, very good. What it is, children? It is cabbage, isn't it? From these two cabbage, we are going to find out which is big cabbage and which is small cabbage. Okay, children? That only we are going to find out. Okay, you should know the difference between the big and small. From this diagram itself, you can easily say the first cabbage is small than these cabbage. Isn't it, children? First cabbage is very small than this, isn't it? So, we have to write this cabbage is small. Okay? So, this is small, right? And what is the spelling for small? You should know the spelling for small also, children. Okay? See? Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yell. Yell. It is small cabbage. And then you should know the spelling for big also. See? It is big cabbage, isn't it? So you have to write big here. See? B-I-G. Big. Okay? We have found out the cabbage which is small, this cabbage which is big. Okay, children? So you know the difference now between the small and big. Okay, shall we move to the next picture? What it is, children? It is pumpkin. Okay? It is pumpkin. From this you have to find out which is big and which is small. Which is big, children? By seeing this itself you can easily identify. Isn't it, children? Which is big? Yes. See, it is big pumpkin. Isn't it? It is big and it is very small. Isn't it? So it is small pumpkin. Okay, shall we write which is big and which is small? Okay, see what I said. It is very big cabbage. When compared to this, this is big. Isn't it? So you have to write big pumpkin here. Okay, so it is big. Isn't it? Already I said you the spelling for big. Okay, shall we write here, children? It is big. B-I-G. Big. Okay, it is big than this pumpkin. Okay, so it is small, isn't it? So you have to write small here. Okay, yes, yeah, yell, yell. Small. Okay, children? We have saw two examples. Okay, so now you can easily find out the difference between the big and small, isn't it? Shall we go to the third picture, children? See what it is? Yes, it is brinjal. Okay, from this itself you can easily find out which brinjal is big and which brinjal is small. Which is big, children, and which is small? Shall we go to the small brinjal first? Where it is? Yes, see, children, here it is. It is very small than compared to this brinjal, isn't it, children? So, first shall we start with small brinjal? Okay, we all know the spelling for small. Already we have learnt. We have wrote two times, isn't it? Okay. Shall we start to write this? small, we will say it is small. Okay, children. Then shall we move to the tall and short? Okay, shall we move to the tall? Okay, see the first picture, children. And what does it is a flower wash, isn't it? It is a flower wash. From this itself, we can easily say which is tall and which is short. Okay, the things that looks very tall, that means very height. Okay, that is said to be the tall, and the picture that looks very short is said to be the short. Okay, see in this two flower wash, the first flower wash is tall, isn't it? The first flower wash is tall, the second flower wash is short. Okay, shall we write this first? What it is? This flower wash is tall. So you should know the spelling for tall also. Okay, see T-A-L-L, tall. Okay, this flower wash is tall. And then when come to this flower wash, automatically we can say it is short, isn't it? S-H-O-R-T. Okay, you should know the spelling for tall and short also. Okay, children, see for the spelling for tall is T-A-L-L, tall. The thing that is becomes very height. Okay, that is considered to be the tall. Okay, this is short. S-H-O-R-T. Okay, when compared to this flower wash, this flower wash is short, isn't it? So only I am writing here short. Okay, children. Shall we go to the next picture? What it is? Tree. What it is? Tree. See, when compare these two trees, which is short and which is tall, children. See, by seeing this picture itself, we can easily say, see, it is very tall, isn't it? This tree is very tall than this tree, isn't it, children? It looks very short, isn't it? So it is short and this is tall. Okay, children. Shall we write here which is tall and which is short? See, this tree is short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Okay, see, this tree is very short than this tree, isn't it? See, S-H-O-R-T. Short. And then what it is? This tree is tall. T-A-L-L. Tall. T-A-L-L. Tall. Okay, children. Now you can easily identify what is tall and what is short, isn't it? You can easily identify. See, very short and this is short. Okay. Now you can know about it. About the big and small, about tall and short. Okay. Now we are moving to the more and less. Okay. Now we are going to know about it. Okay, see, children. What is the first picture you can see here? What it is? Yes, ice cream. Okay. To see about the more and less, first you have to count the picture. Then only you can easily identify whether it is a more or less. Already we have learned counting, isn't it, children? So you all know the counting and you all know the numbers also, isn't it, children? So in this picture we are going to count first. If while we are counting, if it comes greater, okay, then we will say more. If it comes less, then this we will say less. Okay, children, shall we count the ice cream first? See, how many ice creams are there here? 1, 2, 3. How many? First I am writing 3 here. Okay, children, and then we will find out it is more or less. Okay, children, see, we have 3 ice cream here. And see how many ice cream here? Here we have only 1 ice cream. So, which is greater? Which is more? 3 or 1? Yes, very good, children. 3 is more than 1, isn't it? So, we have to say here more ice cream and here less ice cream. Okay, children. So, I am writing here more. Okay, because 3 is greater than 1. So, here we have more ice cream picture and here we have less ice cream picture. Okay, before that we have to know the spelling for more also. Okay, children. See, M-O-R-E, more. Okay, and then less, L-E-S-S, less. Okay, children. Are you clear about it? Difference between the more What it is? Balloons. Here also we have to count it. Okay, children, see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 4 balloons here. Shall we count that? See. 1, 2, 3. Here we have 3 balloons. Okay. Four is greater or 3 is greater, children? Yes, 4 is greater, isn't it? So here more and here less. Okay, shall we write and see? Here more, M O or E. Here we have more balloons and here we have less balloons. L E S S, less balloons. Okay, children. And then shall we go to the next picture? What it is? Carrot. What it is? Carrot. Shall we start to counting? Okay, see how many carrots are there? 1, 2. We have 2 carrots. And see, shall we count this carrots? See, 1, 2, 3, and 4. See, we have 4 carrots here. So which is greater, children? 2 or 4? Can you say? You can easily say 4 is greater. So we have more carrots here and we have less carrots here. Okay, children. Shall we write it here? Less. L E S. Yes, less. And here we have more carrots. Okay. M O or E. More carrots. Okay, children. In this also you can easily say, okay, which is more and which is less means if you have large amount of quantity means you can say it is more, and if it is less amount of quantity means you can say less. Okay, by counting you can easily identify this. Okay, children. Okay, what we have learned today, children? We have learned numbers from 1 to 50 and I recap the number games from 1 to 10. We saw about the difference between the big and small, tall and short, more and less. Okay, children. Based on this, you are going to see an activity, children. Okay, children, enjoy the activity. Okay.
Okay, children, shall we start an activity based on big and small? Okay, children, what you can see here? We can see 2 tomatoes, isn't it? We can see 2 tomatoes. The one which is in the right hand side is big and the one which is in the left hand side is small, isn't it, children? By seeing the picture itself, we can easily identify which tomato is big and which tomato is small, isn't it, children? Already we have learnt lot of examples with the pictures to differentiate the big and small, isn't it, children? See, the one which is in the right hand side is big, and also you must know the spelling for big also. Okay, children, what is the spelling for big? B-I-G, big. The big tomato is in the right hand side, isn't it, children? And then see what is in the left hand side. It is small tomato. Okay, you should know the spelling for small also. See, yes, M-A-L-L, small tomato. Okay, children, shall we see another example to find out the difference between big and small? See, children, what is our next example? What you can identify here? Here we have fishes, isn't it, children? One is dolphin and another one is small yellow fish, isn't it? We all already know, isn't it? Dolphin is a very big fish. Okay, so we can easily say dolphin is big and a small yellow fish is small. Okay, children, see the dolphin which is in the right hand side is big. What is the spelling for big? B-I-G, big. Whatever I am telling again and again is very important, children. You must know the spelling for big also. Okay, you must know the spelling for big as well as small also. Okay, children, see B-I-G, big, which is dolphin is big, and the small yellow fish which is in the left hand side is small. What is the spelling for small? Yes, M-A-L-L, small, isn't it, children? Okay, you can identify easily now, isn't it? Shall we move to the next picture, children? See children, what you can see from this picture? You can see two balls, isn't it children? Yes, very good children. What you can identify here? One is big and another one is small, isn't it? The ball which is in the right hand side is small, isn't it? The ball which is in the right hand side is small and the ball which is in the left hand side is big, isn't it? The ball which has white and black color is big. What is the spelling for big? B-I-G, big. And the ball which has colorful, isn't it? We have lot of colors in the small ball, isn't it? What are the colors children? See, we have red, blue, orange, green and white color, isn't it? It looks beautiful, isn't it children? So it is very small when compared to the other ball, isn't it? So it is small which is in the right hand side, okay children? And what is the spelling for small again? S-M-A-L-L, small, okay children? From this we can easily feel the difference between big and small. Then shall we move to the another examples for tall and short? Shall we see the children? Okay. See children, shall we start with tall and short? Okay, what you can see from this picture? We can see two boys, isn't it? One boy is tall, he is in the left hand side, and another boy is short, he is in the right hand side. By using this picture, how you can identify he is tall and he is short? By using the heights, isn't it? See, here we have height measures. By these we can easily identify the boy which is in the left hand side. That means he is in green shirt, isn't it? He is tall than the other boy. He is blue shirt, okay children? And also you must know the spelling for tall and short also. What is the spelling for tall children? T-A-L-L, tall, okay? And what is the spelling for short? S-H-O-R-T, short, okay children? See, we can easily find out who is tall and who is short, isn't it children? Now you can clear about it. Shall we move to the another example? See children, in this picture what we can see? Yes, we have two buildings, isn't it? One building is very big and another building is short, isn't it? By seeing it itself, you can easily say which one is tall and which one is short, isn't it children? The building which is in the left hand side is tall, okay? And you must know the spelling, isn't it? T-A-L-L, tall. And the building which is in the right hand side is short, okay? What is the spelling for short? Yes, H-O-R-T, short, okay children? From this also you can easily say, isn't it, which building is tall and which building is short, isn't it? Shall we move to the another picture children? See children, in this picture what you can see? There are two animals, isn't it? What is the animal name which is in the left hand side? It is giraffe, isn't it? You all know giraffe is tall than other animals. So what is in the right hand side animal? Zebra. It is short than giraffe, isn't it children? Okay, so we can say giraffe is tall and zebra is short. Okay children, we can easily identify by using these all three pictures. What is the first picture we saw? We saw with the two boys. The second picture we saw with the buildings. And the third picture we saw with the different animals. Okay, from this we can easily say the tall and short, isn't it children? You can easily find out the difference, isn't it? Okay, shall we move to more or less children? Okay children. See children, next we are going to see about more or less, okay? What you can see from this picture children, we can see two flower paths, okay? We have many flowers in it. Okay, we are going to find out which flower are more and which flowers are less. That only we are going to see here. Okay children, for that what you have to do first means we have to count the flowers, okay, and then you have to write the numbers, and then we have to compare which flower is greater. That only we are going to say it is more or less. Okay children, see, first we are going to count the flower part in the left hand side. Okay, shall we start to count it? See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, there are 5 flowers in the left hand side flower pot. And then we have to count in the right hand side. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. See, there are 7 flowers in the flower pot. Okay, so we have to compare the numbers here. Here we have 5 and here we have 7. Okay, which is greater children? Yes, very good. 7 is greater than 5, isn't it? So we can easily say the 7 flowers in this flower pot is more and the 5 flowers in this flower pot is less. Okay children, from this we can easily find out which is more and which is less. See children, this is our another example to find out more or less. Okay, what you can see here children, we can see many different balloons, isn't it? Shall we start to count it? Okay, what is we are going to count in the left hand side balloons. Okay children, shall we start to count it? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, we have 6 balloons in the left hand side. So I wrote 6 here. Okay, shall we count in the right hand side children? See, here we have 3 balloons. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now we have to compare these numbers. 6 and 3. Okay, which is greater children? We already know, isn't it? 6 is greater than 3. So we can automatically say the balloons which have 6 balloons or more than the balloons which has 3. So 6 balloons are more and 3 balloons are less. Okay children. So you can easily able to identify more or less, isn't it children? By counting we can find it. Okay children, so for what we have learned big, small, tall, short and more or less. Okay children, you will get a worksheet, you have to finish it and send in a WhatsApp group children. Thank you children.